So
good evening, Mr. Stephen Metcalfe, Member of the Parliament. We're very happy to have you today for the Essex Medical Society. What makes you to come for our function of the guest of honour and the chief guest?
Well, obviously the Essex Medical Society is a new organisation in Essex, and I think it's an important addition to the local landscape for improving healthcare. And when I was invited, I thought this is a very good way of finding out what the challenges that our health service face, as well as opening up lines of communication. The best way of solving any particular problem is to communicate about it and talk about it, and so that's really why I'm here. I think this is an excellent opportunity for us both to share our views and for me to take those views back to Westminster.
Thank you very much. And you can see the clinical leadership has changed since the Conservative Party came into power, the present government. You see the Basildon and Tara University Teaching Hospital has gone through many changes.
It has, yes.
How do you view the clinical leadership has contributed towards the Basildon and Tara University Teaching Hospital?
I think it's probably been one of the key drivers for change. That together with openness and transparency. I think that is one of the key things that has changed amongst the management team. So the combination of those two factors, I think, allowed the hospital to come out of special measures very early in the process, and that is a credit to everyone involved. But certainly clinical leadership is absolutely key to patient safety and to providing the best possible health care.
Thank you. And how do you see, after the 5th of May 2015, the clinical leadership would be contributing towards the National Health Services?
Well, I very much hope that this is not my first visit here, and that come after the general election in a matter of only now a few weeks, we will be able to continue this dialogue, and I will be able to take the messages back from the clinical leadership team back to Westminster, and hopefully back to a Secretary of State who will be listening carefully to what I have to say.
We thank you for your continued contribution with the clinical leadership. Will you be working with us again after the 5th of May?
Oh, very much so. I hope so. That's up to the electorate, but yes, I very much hope I will still be able to keep this dialogue going, and that we can build a relationship over the next, months and years.
Thank you very much. This is our local MP, Mr. Stephen Metcalfe, who has contributed immensely towards our health strategy and development of the healthcare locally, and wish you good luck.
Thank you very much.
Election.
Thank you.